So like, can we see ClassroomIO, see what it looks like, so we can get a feel of like, what the UI is like, some of the
Sure.
code, because everyone loves to see code on these streams. So yeah, let's go into a little demo if you're ready for that.
Yeah, yeah, I am ready.
Cool, let's go.
Okay, good. Can everyone see my screen?
Yes.
Great. So yeah, this is classroomio.com. Um, so like, don't confuse it with classroom.io. It's classroomio.com. Uh, yeah, if you go to the landing page, we just have like a summary of like the features that we offer. Um, uh, like core functionalities, like you can manage courses, you can customize it. Like I said, you have like a knowledge base, so multiple students. If you run multiple cohorts and people ask the same question, you can just link to the previous answer you gave to the previous cohort, and you don't have to answer again and again. That's what we're doing with Telegram, which was a very big issue. And then we've got AI integration. We're definitely adding more to it, but like simple things like, okay, how can AI help you generate exercises, assignments? How can AI
Oh,
help you
nice.
yeah, lesson materials, lesson notes? So we're integrating those features into ClassroomIO. We use OpenAI for that right now. Like there's no complexity in there, but um, they have great tutorial documentation around that. You get a personalized dashboard. So I'm also going to show you, like, you have like a subdomain that you get, and then you can customize the landing page that your students will see. Your students log in and they have their own separate student dashboard, and then many other cool features that you get. So if you want to get started, you either hit get started or click on the dashboard. I already have the dashboard open here, so it will take you to app.classroomio.com. If you click on the dashboard right here, if you're not signed up, you'd sign up, and then you
Mm-hmm.
create your own organization. So your organization is your, let's say it's your boot camp or whatever you want to call it. Let's say you run boot camps, or you just have a teaching business, right? You have students and you want to teach them. We have this concept of organizations. You can create multiple organizations like I have here, but I've created one especially for this stream, GitHub Masters.
Nice.
In this organization, we teach everything GitHub. So yeah, like so you have like your courses. I've created one course here, but I can create another course. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I have this. So I found this like simple course on GitHub, by GitHub, I guess, and like it's
Yes.
teaching you about GitHub. Yes, yes, it's teaching about GitHub. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this like as a template to create a course on ClassroomIO. Following
Really?
this course. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So the title of this course is Introduction to GitHub. So I would just say like create a course right here, and then say Introduction to GitHub. Um, you can write the short description yourself, or you can ask AI. So this is one of like the places where we have. So most of this, like we don't have it everywhere, but one of some of the places they help you, like in places where you have to like write content.
Yes.
We already integrate OpenAI, so you can automatically give it prompts, and then you can um, get like very short answers for what you need.
Nice.
Right. I just asked AI to help me generate this short description. So yeah.
Nice.
Okay, you're in the UI for the course, Introduction to GitHub. The first thing you want to do is like create a lesson. So for this lesson, the first lesson I'm just going to say is, so this is, I'll just start with this. Create a branch.
Yeah.
Say create a branch. Uh, you don't have to give it a date. This is like for like boot camps have specific dates, but
Yeah.
if you don't have specific dates, you can just keep it. It's not required. Um, so yeah, I'll just create like 3 lessons. So commit a file, save, and then what's the last one? Open a pull request. So I'll come here again, open a pull request PR. Okay, good.
It's so easy to use.
Yeah, yeah, very straightforward. So like if you come to the first course, create a branch. Let's say you want to
Mhm.
add content, you click on edit. So you have your WYSIWYG editor. You can paste content here. I actually have an open PR for integrating Notion style editor. It's currently work in progress right now, but you can be able to choose what editor you want within the UI. But right now we just have like a general WYSIWYG editor.
Yeah.
Now the cool thing is that we also have AI here, right? And you can say, okay, we already have it set up where if you say you generate a lesson note, it will look at
Okay.
the title of this course and the and the topic of this lesson, and then start generating content for you, like that you can start working with, like right in the dashboard.
Nice.
So that's one cool thing. Like you just say edit, and everything is there for you. So one thing I also want to show you is like you can upload videos or you can embed YouTube videos. So I have this YouTube video that I already have prepared here. So it's
Nice.
someone did a course on YouTube. I just add the video and it will automatically embed the video here. Now if I click on done.
Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt you, but like for something like, okay, for skills.github.com, right? Which is essentially a place where you learn how to use GitHub from the ground up. So essentially, let's say I can just copy all the content from that site and pop it into Classroom.io, and then it becomes a course. For people to walk through. That's amazing.
It's pretty much simple.
And I also love how you integrate AI in it. Like, sometimes it's such a blocker to write descriptions or like those long, lesson plans or like those long lesson things. And so that's a really good use case for AI in Classroom.io.
Completely agree.
Yeah. ClassroomIO.
Yes, ClassroomIO.com. Yeah, let's just say it that way. Okay, good. So right now, like by default, the video is at the bottom. It's actually configurable. So like I can come into the settings and just drag video to the first and then save it. And then if I come back to the lesson, create a branch, the video is at the top and the content is at the, so this page is kind of like configurable. Obviously, like in the future, we'll have more configurations to like make it more make it easier, right? Directly on this page, you can just move items, just like Notion, right? But we're not there yet. But it's kind of like a work in progress.
I love it. I'm super excited about this.